In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Systeme.io. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their online business operations by integrating their domain with the Systeme.io platform. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, locate your domain name and copy it to your clipboard. This step is crucial because you will need the exact domain name when you're setting things up in Systeme.io. Next, let's move over to the Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up a drop-down menu, giving you access to various account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your Systeme.io account. On this settings page, look to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Custom Domains. Click on this option to proceed. Now that you're in the Custom Domains section, you'll see an option to Add Domain. Click on this button. It's here that you'll paste the domain name you copied earlier from your GoDaddy account. Make sure you enter it correctly, as any mistake could lead to connectivity issues. Once you've added your domain name, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to verify that the domain name matches exactly with what you have in GoDaddy. This attention to detail can save you a lot of troubleshooting time later on. After entering your domain, follow any additional prompts that Systeme.io may provide to finalize the connection. This might include verifying your domain or making DNS changes in your GoDaddy account. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully, as they are necessary to ensure a successful connection between GoDaddy and Systeme.io. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Systeme.io. This integration allows you to take full advantage of Systeme.io's powerful platform while using your own custom domain. Remember, this setup enhances your professional appearance and boosts the credibility of your online business. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Connecting your domain is an important step in establishing your online presence, and with these instructions, you're well on your way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guides.